Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Etsy API for listing imports using Node, complete guide step by step clearly. To connect the Etsy API for listing imports using Node, start by creating a new Node project. Open your terminal and create a new directory for your project. Navigate into that directory using the command line. Run npm init-y to initialize a new Node project. Next, you will need to install the necessary packages. Use the command npm install axios.dotenv to install Axios in Dotenv. Axios will help you make HTTP requests, while Dotenv manages environment variables. Create a new file named .env in the root of your project. In the .env file, add your Etsy API key. You can find your API key in the Etsy developer section. Now, create a new file for your main application logic. Name this file index.js. In index.js, require the necessary packages by including Axios in Dotenv. Load your environment variables by calling dotenv.config. Next, define a function to fetch listings from the Etsy API. Inside this function, use Axios to make a GET request to the listings endpoint. The endpoint will look something like https://openapi.etsy.com/v2/listings/active. Be sure to include your API key as a query parameter in the request. Handle the response and log the data to the console. To properly structure the data, consider extracting relevant listing details. Next, you may want to implement error handling in your API call. Add a .catch block to handle any potential errors that arise. Once your function is set up, call it at the end of your index.js file. To execute your application, return to the terminal and run node index.js. If everything is set up correctly, your console should display the fetched listings. You may now customize the listings data as per your requirements. Consider implementing pagination if you have a large number of listings. You can achieve this by modifying your API requests accordingly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.